How to fix Cash App transfer failed. Now, if you're having issues from your Cash App whenever you're trying to send a transfer of money to someone, this could be happening due to many reasons. First of all, you want to make sure that you check your balance and that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to cover the transfer amount. You also want to verify your bank details by tapping your profile icon from the top right and simply going to this option that says link to banks, and that will help you see any type of information. You also want to make sure that you are using the latest and the up-to-date version of Cash App. Also check that you have some kind of network or proper internet connection. Now sometimes Cash App also automatically stops the transfer to save you from fraud or fraudulent transactions. If none of the solutions will work, then you can just try to contact the Cash App support team by tapping the profile icon from the top right, scroll down to the bottom and then select the option that says support. From the support tab, if you scroll down to the bottom again, you'll find an option that says chat, where you can contact with the customer support team and ask them what the issue is about. But I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.